Everything and I've helped the trainer.
That's so cute. Good morning. It's actually 8:30. I'm whispering because Andrew is still sleeping. It's 8:30, but it is so dark in here. I turned on the Christmas lights because like it seems like nighttime. It's very dark outside. Happy day 1 of Vlogmas. I'm so happy that Vlogmas is here. I posted last night on my Insta story how I just haven't been feeling Christmassy, which is very unlike me because I was talking to my friend Alexandria Hicks. She's doing Vlogmas. I'll link her channel down below. Go over there and say hi. But we were talking and she was like, oh my gosh, you've been ready for Christmas since the summer. I legit have been talking about how much I love Christmas yeah, since the summer. So the fact that I'm feeling like this is like very strange, but anyways, I think that Vlogmas is the perfect thing to get me in the mood. So for today, I don't have a ton planned because it's a Saturday, but I will be hanging out here for a little bit doing homework. I know, it's so fun. Cleaning up, and then I also, tonight Andrew and I are going to go see a movie and maybe go out for dinner, who knows. But that should be a lot of fun. So it's a great way to start December 1st. We're gonna see, we were thinking The Grinch or Ralph Breaks the Internet, but I really want to see Ralph Breaks the Internet, so it's okay that it's not Christmassy. Anyways, I'm just waiting for the coffee to brew and I'm gonna kind of relax before I start doing a bunch of stuff. Look who came to join me. He always takes a blanket and scrunches it up and lies on it. I know. Yummy. You going outside, Wally? I am making, oh sorry, some sausages, some eggs, and then I have 2 of these Ezekiel English muffins. Just whipping it up. Kind of impromptu breakfast, but I had all this stuff, so yummy. So we are just tidying up from doing some work. And you know who's the messiest person that lives in this house? Right here. Look at this stuff, all from him. All of his toys. Walter, you need to learn how to pick up after yourself. You do. You do. So we're just tidying up. Andrew was cleaning up breakfast. We are going to go see the movie at 3:15. So hopefully I get all this like cleaned up, and then we can just have like a relaxing afternoon, see the movie, and I don't know, just hang out. I have not had a weekend of doing nothing. I honestly can't tell you the last time I had a Saturday that had nothing going on. Just even a day, not even a Saturday. Yeah, so okay, I will keep a cleaning. We just received our first Christmas card. I cleaned up and it does not look like I cleaned up over here. Anyways, I tidied up, but we just received our first Christmas card and it is the sweetest. Look at that. And it's from my mom. I was laughing because like she sent me a Christmas card. We live in the same city. But how sweet is that? She knows us so well. Anyways, we are getting ready to take Walter on a little walkie. No snow. Hi, Wally. Hi, buddy. Is he brick? Sit. Sit.
Sit.
Good boy. Good boy. High five. Aww. Wrong hand. We are headed to the movies right now. What are we gonna go see? Wreck-It Ralph. I'm very excited. So we're actually, I haven't said anything, we have a new car that we're driving in, and I'll give you a tour within the next few days. We got it actually, oops, last week, but it's been miserably snowy and then like slushy here, so the outside of the car is pretty dirty and then the mats are already pretty dirty, so I kind of want to clean it a little bit before I show you. But yeah, I love it, and it still has a new car smell, which is really fun, or really nice. Anyways, this has been such a nice day. Don't you think this is the perfect way to start Vlogmas?
Yeah.
Ooh, so right. Ooh, there we go. Anyways, we'll see you at the movies. Whew. It's chilly, it like picked up. Hopefully this is not like super busy, but we have reserved seating. Haven't seen, the last movie I saw in theaters was Crazy Rich Asians in the summer. So this will be fun.
Where they came from. Wake up, wake up. The time has come.
How'd you like it?
I liked it.
Oh, it's kind of like rainy. It's raining. That was a really cute movie. It's really good.
Oh, it is raining.
It's raining and it's so dark. Yeah, it was like a really cute movie. This way?
Did you want to go home or what do you want?
I don't know.
I guess you're not.
I'm so cold. Are you hungry? I am at my parents' house and we are gonna decorate their tree. So we went to the movies, then we got dinner, and now we're here helping them decorate their tree. Perfect way to start Vlogmas day 1 with more tree decorating. The tree looks so nice. It's beautiful actually. Look at all the stuff. Yes.
Oh, you're the manager of the year for sure on that. Yeah. Tom Wilson, Don, last night, and everyone.
All this.
No, it's a movie theater, honey.
decorations.
You know, theaters. Oh yeah, you want to see that?
I've seen both
Here's
cars
some
and
memories.
Switches. I never
Why is this
believed
not
when the
focusing?
Colts and I told the Bruins, no more hazing.
Look at
ever.
us.
Now, when
Wow,
I was
okay.
a junior, I swept the buses with the
I carry the bags and everything, and I
Aw,
help the trainer.
that's so
I put
cute.
the pucks
And
in.
then
That's
here's-
not hazing. That's you're a rookie. You do that. Hazing is to me. And if you
I'm
do
so
it,
short
you
compared to you
tell
guys.
meetings, the Canadian Hockey League,
Look at those
if
baby
you're a coach
faces.
And you have hazing, you're gone. You'll never be hired again. So cut it out. I never like that. Randy Mellison.
That's fantastic. We'll hear from Mandy Brickley first.
These are all from my wedding. This was our bombiniettes.
Unbelievable.
And now my mom has all the leftovers.
Go the other way, but boy, I'll say this guy.
They actually are very sparkly.
Yeah, I don't know what they smoke. I don't want to go in it. But you put this. You don't put this.
These are turtle doves.
We have them.
Turtle doves. Does anyone know what that's from? The movie? Name that movie. Turtle doves. We are home now from my parents' house. The tree has been on all day. So I am going to end the vlog here. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you again for my next video. Happy Vlogmas. Good night.